Hi everybody, I am Arash and this is HackerRank Python preparation. We are solving challenges. The next challenge is tuples and it is easy. We are simply creating a tuple and then get the hash of it. Well, in the right side we can see that already an integer by the name of n is gotten from the input, and also we have created an integer list from the next line of our input, which more information about it is available in the left side, but I'm not going to make the video much long, so let's just write the code. We create a tuple by the name of t and it will be tuple of integer list, and we simply print the hash of this tuple. Very easy. Submit our code, and while it is running the code, I should add one extra point about this challenge. By my tests, if you run this challenge code in Python 3, you will encounter errors, and it's just a bug from HackerRank. So when you are writing the code, try to do it with Py3 instead of Python 3. Alright, let's come back down here and everything is alright. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. See you next time.